Hi everyone, this is Amber from CodeGaggle, and this is the first video in a series that explores D3.js. D3 is a JavaScript library that uses HTML, SVG, and CSS to visualize data. We're going to be using React for these tutorials. If you don't normally use React, that's perfectly fine because you will still be able to use these tutorials to do things like create XY axes, build bar charts, line charts, and many other really cool things that you can do in D3. If you are unfamiliar with D3, I suggest heading over to d3.js.org, reading through the documentation, checking out the API and the examples. There's a wealth of information in these links that you can use in your projects. Okay, so let's get started setting everything up. So first of all, you will need to have Node installed. So just to make sure that you do have Node installed, just type in node space -v. You should see a version number. If you do not see the version number, head over to node.js.org and then download and install Node. Okay, so I am good to go there. So I am going to use create React app to get everything set up. So I'm going to do npx create React app, and I'm going to call this D3-tutorials. I'm just going to let that run. It can take a minute or so just to get everything set up. Okay, great. So let's do an ls cd d3-tutorials. Awesome, everything is in there. Okay, so the next step is going to be to install D3. So since I use npm, I'm going to head over to the npm library for D3 and find the install command. npm install D3. Oops. npm install D3. And then just let that run. Okay, great. And now we are ready to get started. So next we are going to open up our project in our IDE and start building stuff.